Here's a question that you're waiting for a repair person that you know will arrive sometime in the next 9 minutes. The amount of time, v, in minutes for the repair person to arrive is a continuous random variable with the density function of f of v is equal to over 63 times v if v is between 0 and 7. 0 to 7. We're looking at 2 over 63v is the equation of this line. And f of v is equal to negative 1/9 times v plus 1 if v is between 7 and 9. We're talking about this line. The equation of this line is negative 1/9 v plus 1. Then it's 0 everywhere else. 0 here. We want to calculate the probability that v is greater than or equal to 1. Remember, the probability that v is equal to 1 is 0. The probability that v is equal to 1 is 0 since 1 is just a value in the infinitely many values between 0 and 9. That's why the probability of v is less than or equal to 1 is the same as the probability of v is less than 1. There's no difference for us for less than or equal or less than because the probability of it being equal is 0. Calculate the y value when the x value is 1. We want to find the height of this triangle. We know the base of the triangle is just going to be 1. We're going to use this equation. 2 over 63 times the v, and the v is 1. That gives us 2 out of 63. To get the area of the red triangle, it's base times height divided by 2, where this is the height and the base is 1. To get the probability of v is less than or equal to 1, calculate the area of the red triangle, where the base is 1 and the height is 2 out of 63, which gives us 1 times 2 out of 63 divided by 2, base times height divided by 2. Dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying the denominator by 2. These 2's are going to cancel. You're going to get 1 out of 63. That's the area of the red triangle. The area of the green triangle is 1 take away this. 1 take away 1 out of 63 is 63 out of 63. Take away 1 is 62 out of 63. I'm just going to put those answers up here. 62 out of 63 is our answer. Now let's go to the next part where the probability that v is greater than 2. We're going to make another triangle at 2. Let's figure out the area of this triangle, then we'll figure out the area of the blue region, which is when the probability of v is greater than 2 is this blue area. The probability that v is equal to 2 is 0, since 2 is just one value in the infinitely many values between 0 and 9. And this is why the probability that v is less than or equal to 2 is the same as the probability of v is less than 2. We want to calculate the y value when the x value is 2. It's on this slope. I'm just going to plug it into this equation. We have 2 over 63 times 2 gives us 4 out of 63. That's the height of this triangle. The base of the triangle is 2. To get the probability that v is less than or equal to 2, we're going to calculate the area of the yellow triangle, where the base is 2 and the height is 4 out of 63. We have 2 times 4 out of 63 divided by 2 is going to give us 4 out of 63, which doesn't reduce. Then, to get the probability that v is greater than 2, that's the blue region that we're after, we're going to do 1 minus the probability that v is less than or equal to 2, which is 1 minus 4 out of 63, which will give us 59 on 63. And I'm just going to put that up here. The last one, find the probability that the repair person will arrive between 1 minute and 2 minutes. We're looking at this purple region right here. We know the area of the blue region. We know the area of the red region. We know that the total probability is 1. It's 1 minus the area of the red region minus the area of the blue region. To get the probability that v is between 1 and 2, calculate the area of the purple shape. That's the area between the red triangle and the blue shape, which is 1 minus 1 out of 63 minus 59 out of 63. That gives us 1 out of 63 added to 59 out of 63 is 60 out of 63. 1 is 63 over 63. Take away 60 gives us 3 on 63, which can be reduced. That gives us 1 out of 21. All right, and that is the answer. The probability that the repair person is going to come between 1 and 2 minutes is 1 out of 21. And that is it for continuous random probability. Have a good day.